Hello everyone, my name is Chelsey and I am a Children's Services Assistant with Clearview Library District. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. That is the theme of this video, of this craft, of this project that we are doing. So first of all, we want to give a great big thank you to the Friends and Foundation who have again provided the materials for these crafts for us for Thanksgiving. And thank you to you. Thank you to our patrons. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you for bringing in your donations for Weld County Food Bank. We really appreciate it. So since you brought in your donation, you have gotten a craft for Thanksgiving. So it's November. Happy fall. Happy Thanksgiving. We have two crafts for you. When you donate, you get one, but there are an option of two. So the Friends and Foundation were kind enough to do 200 kits for us this time instead of the 100. And again, congratulations on the wonderful job that you guys did on your Halloween shadow boxes. Those were super fun, and we loved doing that for you guys. So here's our two crafts. We have the thankful pumpkin pie, and then we have the thankful leaf catcher. So we'll start with the pumpkin pie. You got a doily, a brad, a couple of different pieces of colored paper, and what it is it's just fun. You cut out the color underneath. Go ahead and glue it on there. You're going to want to cut the one on top to go a little bit bigger, cut a little slice out of it, and write on it, make it creative, make it fun, make it beautiful, colorful. But you just write, I'm thankful for, and then you put the brad in the middle, put it through to the back, and then you can switch it. I'm thankful for nature, my family, friends, etc. Okay, so just keep it going. Make the slice as big or as little as you would like, but there is your fun, thankful pumpkin pie craft. Then we have the thankful leaf catcher. So this one comes with the wooden frame, some yarn, and then it comes with a template of these leaves, okay, and you can cut them out, and some colored paper. So all you'll want to do is just weave do it in different directions, the yarn, put it around. You can tighten and loosen this so you can stick it in there to hold it if you'd like. And then I just wrote, I'm thankful for my home, thankful for my family, again, family holiday, thankful for my job, because if you guys didn't support us, I wouldn't have one, so thank you. So what you'll want to do is just cut these out, weave them in there, just right underneath, or on top, around. You can make these a little bit smaller. I made mine just a little bit bigger, just as an example. You can color the outside, whatever you guys want to do. Get creative, get colorful. Use stencils, use markers, use crayons, glue, scissors, whatever you want to do. Make these your own. Please snap a picture of it. Send us what you guys are making. We love to see your creations. There should be a little flyer in with your kits that says how you can do that. But just share with us. It's been a tough year. We just want to see your smiles and what you guys are coming up with. You guys are fun and creative. Again, thank you to the Friends and Foundation for letting us do this for you guys. And thank you guys for your donations. It really does mean a lot during this season and this difficult time. And we really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see your creations. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.